Okay, in this clip, I'm going to show you how to create a URL link from a button inside your Flash document. Now you can see on our page here, we have a button down below to Expert Village. Now to set up a link to their web page, you want to select it. You want to bring up your actions. And this time we're going to choose Global Functions, Browser Network. And we're going to choose Get URL. Now right here you want to put the complete URL. And you don't need to set anything else. These are for variables for other things like get and post. You could set up if it opens up in a different window or the same window. We'll leave it like this. Close that. And now when you click on your link, it'll take you directly to the website. And that's how you set up a URL link in Flash CS3.